Hi, welcome to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Latin Trifecta. So this is one of the many cocktails that's featured in Jamie Boardrobe's Canon cocktail book, but I originally stumbled across it, and I haven't actually made it before. Stumbled across it on Punch Drink, punch.com I think the website is. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. So it's a tequila based cocktail, a Blanco Tequila. So start off with an ounce, 30 ml of tequila. It's stirred over ice. So just add that straight into the mixing glass. Followed by Cynar, 1 ounce, 30 ml. And a dry sherry. I'm pretty sure the recipe called for an Oloroso, a Amontillado, similar in style, a little bit drier, and it's got some nutty notes to it. So it's probably a good substitute. So half an ounce, 15 ml, and a couple of dashes of orange bitters. It does call for Regan's number 6, but I'm out, so I'm going to do a bit of a blend of Angostura and V Brothers. Then just add ice to your mixing glass and stir it down for like 30-40 seconds. So I've hit a few big milestones recently. Thanks to you guys, hit over 80,000 subscribers, which is like absolutely crazy. I don't know what I really set out to do when I started doing the YouTube channel, but it's becoming more of a full-time thing. So thanks for subscribing. Thanks for sharing and liking. That's awesome. So a few brands have reached out as well, which I'll be utilizing soon in some upcoming videos. Some really good brands, and they've also been kind enough to donate some stuff, so I'll be running some giveaways. Yeah, pretty excited about that. So into the chilled coupe glass. Strain it straight in and garnish it with an orange twist. And I'm going to flame the twist. So in Jamie's book, he does actually do a barrel-aged version of the Latin Trifecta, which I'm pretty keen to try out. I've actually got 2 oak barrels that are empty at the moment, and I've been wondering what to put in them. So I'll find out how this is, and might be the one. And just flame the zest straight into the drink. You don't need to heat it for too long before you squeeze. Otherwise, if you overheat, it just doesn't tend to work as well. So there you have the Latin Trifecta. Cheers. So the color does resemble the Cynar and the sherry. Looks quite nice. You get the nuttiness from the sherry on the nose. But it's the Cynar is the dominant flavor. And I'm surprised how well this works with the tequila. It tastes really nice. Get a little bit of nuttiness. I'd probably like to elevate the sherry just a little bit more. Maybe add like 1/4 of an ounce more. Get some orange flavor coming through. Obviously from a couple of different kinds of bitters as well as the twist. Quite like this, and I think it would work very well barrel aging. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and stay tuned for some of these upcoming giveaways. Cheers.